It's always a great day at Costco, but specifically in the snack section. I want to show you the top 10 or so healthy snack foods here at Costco because number one, there's some great things like right behind me. And since you're at Costco, they're fantastic deals. Before we do dive into the snack haul, I also want you to check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. I love Thrive. They're the longest supporter of the channel at 8 years. But one of the reasons why I like them is they have a ton of Bobby approved stuff at great prices. You save about $32 compared to going to a normal grocery store. And the box comes to your door. My link down below gets you 30% off your first order and a free gift. And I updated my list of favorite Thrive Market items, both food and personal, and I'll put some extra snack ones in the description box, so check it out, you will love it. Okay, so if you meander down here, I gotta start with these. These are a Bobby approved chocolate peanut butter cup that are so darn yummy and so much cheaper than buying them in any other grocery store. Oh, go ahead. It's called Skinny Dipped. And some people will be like, Bobby, why is it approved when it has cane sugar in there? Because let's read the ingredients and then be a little subjective here. It's peanut butter with a touch of cane sugar. It's got peanut flour, maple sugar, and then real vanilla, and the milk is non-GMO. So it's almost perfect ingredients. Do I wish it didn't have sugar and had like allulose instead? Yes, but we're talking, my friends, about 1 cup here. Having 2 grams of added sugar, that's half a teaspoon. When the alternative in a Reese's peanut butter cup or anything else would be gobs more sugar. So we have to be a little subjective here because we are talking chocolates. And 2 grams of sugar is nothing. They are delicious. They're going in my cart. They might want to go in yours too.
I watch you all the time.
Oh, thank you for that. Appreciate it.
We're shopping for my school. So
oh, nice.
we're really not getting anything that's not Bobby approved because it's mostly, you know, paper and stuff.
Yeah.
But I was going to get this for my office. People like it.
I won't judge.
What's your alternative?
Here, nothing. But if you want a healthy Reese's peanut butter cup, there's my alternative right there.
Yeah, but I have to put it in a container, you know, so it goes in my office and it's cute.
Well, those are individually wrapped.
Are they?
They are. See? Problem solved.
I'm going to change.
Score.
Done and done.
All right, enjoy. Well, I did not expect to find any new chips here at Costco that would qualify in the Costco snack haul, but we did, my friends. Now, we have seen this as of recently. The avocado oil sweet potato chips, which are fantastic, and instead of being cooked in canola oil or sunflower oil like almost every other chip, here at the Costco and most every store, it's fried in avocado oil. But not everyone wants sweet potatoes. Well, hello, governor. They have the Boulder big bag of avocado oil chip. And why do I love this potato chip? Ruffles have ridges, and these have ridges too. Me, Desi, and Rose love it the most because these ridges make it really crispy and thick. What is it fried in? Avocado oil. This is the best tasting, in my opinion, chip on the market. The most important part. What the what? 29 cents an ounce. Go to your local grocery store. I guarantee it's at least double that price. These are such a great deal here for the most delicious, rigid potato chip cooked in avocado oil. And if you want sweet potato chips cooked in avocado oil, it's a little more expensive, but still cheaper than most. Wow, Costco, after years and years of us griping, is upping their potato chip game. Hooray.
Italian sausage.
Well, you got the sauerkraut there?
Yes.
Ooh, you got the healthiest samples today.
Organics. Yes. Where's little Rosie?
Rosie is swimming right now, I think. Yeah.
She is so
Yeah. Whenever I see people here, they're like, oh, where's Rose? They're always disappointed to see me.
Are you Rosie's father?
I hear that one too. Yeah. I have one of just, no, go ahead. Can I have one just sauerkraut?
Yes.
There you go. Because it has the sausages on there.
I was gonna get one, but I don't want to.
No, you can. I'm waiting.
She's filming you,
I'm getting a
so-
special one. Thank you, Marissa. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Nothing like some gut-friendly snacks while you're shopping, huh?
Yes. Good for you.
I love this one. Look at that. Bars and bars as far as the eye can see. Only one is Bobby approved, and there's actually no Bobby approved protein bars here, but if you follow me on stories, I've started developing a Bobby approved protein bar with a cookie base and a nougat center, fully enrobed. So far, so good with epic ingredients, so stay tuned for that. But if I were gonna get a snack bar here, you gotta get this. This is literally one of the best on the market. Oh my God. It's got the dreaded 97. It's got the 97 and the star, which is good news, bad news. The bad news is, we all know what that means as Costco insiders, discontinuation with the 97. Good news, they're putting it on clearance. $6.97 for 16 bars, 43 cents a bar for the best granola bar on the market. We'll compare it to like one of the other ones right here. Go ahead. I'll get my readers in a second here. These I'm for, and they're going discontinued, so the price is unbelievable right now. These are fantastic.
Last time I bought these on sale for $13.
Yeah, right? That's a clearance price. Sure, you're getting a commission to them, getting a lot of sales. So why do I love these? Because let's take a look at the ingredients. You talk about nutrient-dense, clean, Bobby-approved ingredients. Almonds, pecans are the main ingredients. Sweetened with maple syrup and organic honey. Coconut flakes, nutrient-dense pumpkin seeds, which are very high in zinc, and unrefined virgin coconut oil, cinnamon, salt, vanilla. Are you kidding me? This is the cleanest granola bar on the market. It says grain-free and paleo here. That means it doesn't have oats or any grains on there. It's gluten-free. Compare that just for a second with, this is a granola bar. It's chewy. Forget about the chocolate. The inside has corn syrup, sugar, canola oil, preservatives, natural flavoring, no good. My friends, if you have these at your Costco and they're going out like this, load up. They're good until, let's see the best buy date. These are so good, so nutrient dense, so good for you and good for your wallet. Yowzers. One of my favorite snacks midday is a handful of nuts. Cashews or macadamia nuts are lovely, and they have a big assortment of nuts here. But you have to read the ingredients or scan it with my free Bobby approved app, because usually they're toasted or coated in a seed oil. Like this bag of mixed nuts here has peanut oil on there, and this bag of fancy cashews has fancy peanut oil too, which is highly processed and inflammatory, so you want to go with ones that don't have any oils. I see something new out of the corner of my eye. These guys have a variety pack. So this is the guys that make the sprouted pumpkin seeds. These are one of the best deals here. I talked about these when I did a video with Dr. Berg a few months ago. Pumpkin seeds are incredibly nutrient dense. I'm talking about like insane phosphorus, magnesium, manganese, everything. Well, this is a variety pack that has pumpkins, sunflower, and chili lime, and they're all sprouted. Sprouted nuts and seeds are more nutrient dense and easier to digest. Very lovely. The only thing I don't love is the chili lime ones have a touch of cane sugar. So even though it's 1 gram, oh, you know what? It shows up, including added sugars is 0, but total sugars is 1. Anytime the added sugars says 0, it's so little that they don't have to put it on the actual nutrient list there. So it's not ideal, but it's so little, it technically would be Bobby approved. And it's nice that they put lime juice and cayenne to get that kind of spicy and sour flavor. This is really cool for a variety pack. And then if you want to get plain nuts, let's pull a 180 here. Yeah, I'm making a video about healthy snacks here. Healthy snacks at Costco.
Okay.
Yeah. We can go for shelled pistachios, which are dangerous because if you want to get the ones in the shells, you actually have to work for these, right? It's a lot of work. The ones out, you can just pound them down. These have just nuts and salt, nothing else. And I'm a big fan of cashews. Organic's nice, but more importantly to me, they are raw with no oil here. So lots of options for nuts, which are a great high-fat, low-carb snack midday when you need a little something to quell the old hunger. The only fruit snack here at Costco that's Bobby approved is this one. And I love seeing it here for a couple of reasons. It's Rose's favorite. So when it's back to school season, I can put this in her lunchbox and we can save money. But this has one of the best ingredients on the market. I've talked about fruit by the foot in the past, corn syrup, horrible ingredients, even stuff like this will have natural flavoring. This truly is just fruit. It has 2 varieties here, if I can find the ingredients. It is apples, pears, strawberries, and the coloring is from black carrot. That's classy AF. And the other one is apples, pears, raspberries, and the black carrot. No added sugar, no natural flavors, no BS. Now, I've said it before, I do wish it was organic because some of these fruits like apples and raspberries are in the Dirty Dozen, but still, it's Bobby approved. And when you get it for 65 cents an ounce, it's probably 40% cheaper than buying it at any other grocery store. And they're very smart because when you open each packet inside, there's like a little playing card, and the kids love it. Rose is like, oh, I don't have this one. Oh, I have this one. They want to keep opening it. Whoever thought about that is diabolical and a genius, and I love saving money, so these are fantastic at Costco. Lots of folks ask me about these JoJo's chocolate bars and are they Bobby approved? They're very close, but they're not for a couple reasons. If we check out this one, this is the dark chocolate peanut butter filled bars. One of my favorite things, chocolate peanut butter. It's my favorite flavor of the Flav City protein smoothie. And we'll see. The one thing I like about them is that it's always lower sugar. They do use cane sugar, but one bar has 6 grams of added sugar, which I still wish it was less, but that's a teaspoon and a half, not terrible. But what I don't like is if you come on down, the oil in here is palm oil, which is still a processed inflammatory oil. And sometimes they have other flavors here. Like a few months ago, that was blueberries. And the blueberries are coated in cane sugar and sunflower oil. So it is better for you compared to like a lot of these chocolates here per se, but I would put this one back. Earlier, when I was speaking about the bars in the middle section, I forgot about the refrigerated bars. The perfect bars are over here, and they used to not be Bobby approved, but now they are. And kudos to them, because for years and years, I would rag about the fact that it had sunflower oil in there. Well, they did a great job because they got rid of the sunflower oil, and now it just has flaxseed oil, sesame oil, olive oil, pumpkin seed oil. And then it's got organic whole foods, kale, rosehip, lemon. The one thing I don't love about these bars per se is that it's sweetened with honey, and that's the second ingredient. And one bar does have 13 grams of added honey, which is over 3 teaspoons. A little high for me because the total carb count on these is 27 minus 3 grams of fiber. 24 net carbs is a little high, but still, it's Bobby approved. It's a great deal. If you're looking for an option, I'd snag it. All right, friends, that is it for the healthiest snacks at Costco. Lots to choose from, lots of Bobby approved items, and always great deals. I'm gonna finish up my haul and do some personal shopping and head home. Do also check out thrivemarket.com using my promo link down below. I updated the list of my favorite items from Thrive Market, and I put a few extra snacks in there because that's the theme of this video, and my link always gets you 30% off your first order and a free gift. But that is it from my favorite store, Costco. I leave you like I always do. Hashtag keep on cooking. Mad love from me to you, and peace. Bye.